Use of routers in networking. Generally, router is a device which routes the data from one computer network to other computer network based on the internet protocol address we have discussed earlier. So, two or more computers to send the data to each other, we can use the router. We can use the router for the LAN connection. We can use even in the wide area network also, we can use the router. A router has, like a computer, it has CPU and memory, but it has more than one I/O ports, more than one I/O interface. By using these more I/O interfaces only, we are connecting more computer networks. So, two or more computer networks are connected to this router. Generally, it works in network layer and data link layer and physical layer of the OSI model. Mainly, we concentrate on the network layer. Here, it uses some common addressing system in which when we are sending in the data in the network layer, from segments to the division will be done in the form of the packets. In the packets, we have the destination address. So, the router reads the destination address and forwards the packets. It will try to assess what are the possible routes I can send this packet. And out of these possible routes, which is the best route I can forward. For that, there is an algorithm. In this algorithm, we have header and some forwarding tables. This algorithm will look what is the best route I can send, where the traffic is less, where a link is missing, which is the best route that can be decided by the algorithm. That's why we are calling this as a intelligent device. It will not send each time the packets in the same route to the same destination. It will change the route each time depending upon the network traffic. So, it will take care of the data routing. That's why we are calling this as a gateway. It will also check how much distance the data is crossing. Not in the terms of the meters, but it calculates how many links the data has crossed. 1 link, 2 link or 3 link, 5 links. That's how it calculates the distance. And it will try to send in the short distance in the less traffic manner. Some companies like D-Link and Cisco, these are established for only manufacturing the electronic components, and they have established with the purpose of manufacturing electronic components, and they are manufacturing the routers. D-Link is famous router we are using. Even the BSNL also, it will give D-Link router only whenever you want to get any internet connection from the BSNL. And Cisco, obviously, they are very much forward in networking. They will even give the networking courses also. So, it will work in local area network and also for the wide area network. If you want to connect to a router, two systems which is in first floor and second floor, you can use, that is by using the local area network. If you want to connect from Parvatipuram to some other place, maybe from Parvatipuram to Veeragattam, you can use the router. You can connect from here to there, but that is by using the wide area network. That is different and this is different. So, routing protocol we use for transferring the data, not only for selecting the route. After selecting the route, it will take care of how to transfer the data. Obviously, transport layer will take care without sending errors and everything, but here it will try to, the routing protocol routes how to go. And it is expensive compared to other devices which we discussed, switch and hub. We discussed what is the use of routers. The use of the router is when we want to establish the internet between the two or more computer networks, we require a device called router, especially in the wide area network. So, router has CPU and memory. It is an intelligent device. Why it should have memory? Because it has to calculate which route I have to take, which route I have to suggest. I have to suggest the best route, shortest route. Best route with the less traffic, shortest route with the less number of links it has to cross.